I'm Shani, I'm Ilosa. Today, now I'll be showing you the Xitsonga moves, the Xitsonga dance, and I will show you how we dance into our loud music and the music that we listen to. Now I will show you our moves to the kind of songs that we dance to. Have entertained you guys as I have showed you the Xitsonga dishes, how we dress, our loud music, and the Shibelani dance. I hope that you are happy with everything that I have showed you. This is how we are as Xitsongas, and that's how we eat, and this is how we celebrate when we are happy. We do the Shibelani dance and stuff. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much. I hope that you like and also comment. Thank you.